Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2019 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 580 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Aranco Borealis exterior and Nero Ade leather interior with Q-Citura contrast stitching. This Huracan comes well optioned, including Pearl Effect Aranco Borealis exterior, LED lighting for engine, transparent engine bonnet, forged composites engine bay, orange calipers, sport exhaust, 20-inch forged MIMAS rims, contrast stitching, ALCANTARA roof lining, TECHNO pack, UNICOLor full leather interior, and much more.
Yeah.